मेरा नया बाइक का हालत कसम से यार, the truck goes so scary. Like, what if it falls onto someone? Yeah, triangle one. So the time is 2:45 already. We were expecting to leave by 2:30, but then we had to pack our bags and then we had to tie the bags on the bike. So what's up guys, this is Manzil, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So I will be going to Siliguri from Kolkata. Right now we are at Rajarhat, and the distance is probably around 530, 510, 530. It's between that. So it might take us around 12 to 13 hours. The bike is getting heated over here. And then we'll be leaving. Biraj is on his way. I don't know where is he right now. He was actually on the 4th floor. It's taking him like 10 minutes to come from there. So that's it then. I'll catch you guys on the ride then. My first ride on my GS, and the first ride is a very big one. It's going to be a 500 kilometers ride. इंडिकेटर देना. अब तेरो दाइले कुदाउँछ बाइक. तेरो दाइले कति किलोमिटर्स बाँकी छ? 464 किलोमिटर्स बाँकी छ अझै. क्या है भाई? ओ भैया, काहे एक हाथ छोड़ के चला रहे हो? Okay, the sun is finally out. The first glimpse of the sun for today, and it looks red plus orange. And also about the route, we didn't take the normal route to Kolkata, the route where the buses from Siliguri to Kolkata go, right? We took the other one because the other route is really bad. That is why we took the old Delhi road, which is awesome. Haven't found any potholes in between. Yes, there are some, but then comparing to the other one, this is night and day. The difference is night and day. I think I need to go ahead of this truck to... Oh, look at the sun. Nice. So this is what we are having. I don't know, we stopped. भैया जगह का नाम क्या है? Bhapta. I know, we are in a place named Bhapta, and this is how the place looks like. We stopped to have this puri, and then the bike is over there. Viraj is eating over there. Look at that. So we'll have this, and then we'll rest for like 30 minutes, and then we'll be on our way. My eyes is still... Oh, come on, it's still looking black. आँखा यार अहिले पनि कालै देखिरहेछ मेरो. So we are done with our breakfast and look at the bike's condition. It was brand new last night. I'm gonna have to wash it when I reach home. Juu अब and also I couldn't find any accessories for this bike even at Kolkata. I'm gonna have to order it online because I don't think there are shops for this for BMW because I was looking for aftermarket accessories because the branded BMW's accessories are too expensive. What is this car doing? That is why I thought of buying it from the other place, but then I couldn't find any. But then I'll be ordering online because this bike doesn't really look nice without all those accessories. So I'm gonna have to wait for another 1 to 2 weeks for the order to get delivered. So distances, we are probably 380 kilometers away from Siliguri, 375 kilometers to be precise. So the time is 8 in the morning and I think we are expecting to reach Siliguri by at least 5. So the time is 10:17 and we are probably 210 kilometers away from Kolkata. आगे जा ना, आगे जा. तो हम लोग इतना फोटोस ले रहे थे, विराज इतना घुस गया था फोटोस में कि अपना ग्लव्स ही भूल गया. ग्लव्स को ही रास्ता में फेंक के बाइक चला रहा था आधा रास्ता तक. और फिर पैदल जाके बेटिस बेटिस So we are at Malda and then we'll be having lunch over here. The bike is over there. Biraj is waiting for his phone to get charged. We'll have I don't know, whatever we get. I need to wash my face as well. Come on, what's wrong with this face? So this is what we're having for lunch.
आपका कुर्सी है ना?
हाँ.
पानी बोतल दे दो एक.
हम तो वहाँ बैठेंगे जहाँ हमारी बाइक नज़र में होगी भाई. अभी तो नहीं छोड़ेंगे इसको. So we are done with our lunch. लेकिन ज़िंदगी में कभी भी नहीं सोचा था कि अपना चेहरा एक हैंड वॉश से धुलाना पड़ेगा. लेकिन बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग था क्योंकि my face was very sticky and I had to use the hand wash, and the name of the hand wash was Santoor. It was a very good experience though.
So now we are 220 kilometers away from Siliguri. Let's go non-stop, I guess. There is an ambulance behind us and there is no way for the vehicle to pass. And look at these guys. It's already been more than 30 minutes we are stuck here. Are you kidding me? He went through. Why? डाइवर्जन थियो नि त वो धुलो है ना वो मेरा नया बाइक का हालत कसम से यार क्या ही हो गया। ना 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 इस तरफ से जाना पड़ेगा। इससे करके इस तरफ से थोड़ा इम्प्रोवाइज करना पड़ेगा। ये क्या चीज का जाम है कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा है। इतनी लंबी लाइन हो गया होगा शायद 5 किलोमीटर से ज्यादा ही है ये जाम। 4 व्हीलर्स तो सोच भी नहीं सकते यहाँ से निकलने के लिए। तारीख चलाना पड़ता। Look how loaded the truck goes, man. So scary. Like, what if it falls onto someone? I want to overtake. I don't want to overtake. I need to overtake. Finally, we probably got stuck for around 50 to 1 hour, 50 minutes to 1 hour. What a waste. अरे भाई मैं कहाँ फंस गया बे। There are only tractors around. Literally. What the? So the time is, what was it? 6? 6. We have reached Pani Tanki. I am just 1 kilometer away from my place. It probably took us around 15 hours because for 2 hours we actually had to wait in some of the places because of the traffic jam. We had to wait for probably 2 hours, and then for the lunch we had 2 breakfasts. Overall it should have taken 13 hours to 12 hours, but then because of all those stuffs, the experience was good. The road were crazy, some of the place were really bad. So I think this is it for today. I hope you guys liked it. We'll be going to many places in my new GS very soon. We'll be sharing you the videos, so keep watching, and also please like, share, subscribe. Till then, I'll see you again. Bye. Yeah, bring a lawnmower. Yeah, bring a lawnmower.
So, like,